I'm going to show you how to use the applet Tuckshop, which deals with subtraction. And when you first fire it up, this is the picture you see. In the two green boxes are a number of chews in the shop. The left hand one shows them in tens and the right hand one shows them in singles. And in red it shows the number of chews that the customer has requested, which in this case is 2. Now you can't give the customer 2 straight away. You're going to have to break up one of the tubes. So one click in the tens selects a tube. Then one click in the singles breaks them up into singles. And now you can select 2 tubes by clicking twice in the singles. There they have been selected. Then one click in the trolley, click next, and off the customer goes. And in comes the next one, and this customer wants 9. There are only 8 in the singles, so again you're going to have to break up a 10. One click there, one click in the singles, and you can now select 9. Click in the trolley, and off they go. This time 2 have been requested. Let's suppose I get it wrong and select 3 by mistake. When I click in the trolley, you get an error message at the top. Too many singles, choose, and I have the opportunity to do it again. Now, as you can see from the right, there is a selector that tells you what level you're working at. We're working at level 1 using the image of the Tuckshop, but immediately below that we can do it using conventional notation. And I'm going to click that. And that's the question we're just about to do, 9 take away 2. And this is a simple question. We can just subtract the ones and the answer is complete. This is exactly the same question as you would have been doing using the Tuckshop picture. This time the question is 97 take away 9. And if you find that you're not sure what to do, then click in the trolley immediately above here in the selector and you'll see the same question, but it's this time it's done as a Tuckshop picture. If that helps, then go back and use the conventional notation. If you try to subtract the ones, you'll get the message that the ones column is not ready. And what you have to do is unpack one of the tens into 10 ones. So click do it. And you see what has happened. The 9 tens has been reduced to 8 and the 7 ones have been increased to 17. And now you can subtract 9 from 17. So click subtract ones. Next, you are invited to subtract the tens and the subtraction is complete. Click next and you're on to the next question. But if at any time you're not sure what to do, click back to the Tuckshop picture. That may help you to make a decision and then back to the conventional picture. And that's Tuckshop subtraction.